Morning, guys. It's Monday. April 6th or 7th. I don't know. I just know it's Monday, guys, and it's a cloudy day. It is cloudy. I am gonna go to Walmart today. Just to get a few items because I know we're going to be at the surge point and I don't want to wait until we're in it and then I need to go. So I'm going to just get some more basic stuff like bread and stuff and more milk, fruit, vegetables, stuff like that, just so I don't have to go out, because I think this week is the surge when they don't really want you to go out. Like, actually now they don't want you to go out, but we didn't go. The places that we went yesterday, they didn't have any groceries because Mike likes to go places later in the day, and I don't operate that way. I'm a morning person. I like to be up as soon as the store opens up to get things that we need, because usually they'll have it at that time, but leaving at 6 o'clock, 6:30, everything is gone, so it wasn't that kind of shopping yesterday. It was just basically looking for a disinfect wipes, which we found actually, and just literally trying to get him out the house for the day because he has not gone out, just to get some air. So that's all that was. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Try to stay positive. Connect with some friends and family. Be productive. Come on, Jules. Be productive. Do some exercise. Play a game. Educate your mind. Do not watch the news 24/7. And kind of get outdoors if you can, even if it's on your patio or to a local park. And try to enjoy the day as much as you can, even though we're in this crisis, guys. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my walk, and I'll talk to you guys later. wiping down and doing my morning cleaning. Oh guys, such a beautiful day. Look at how beautiful it is today, guys. Look how beautiful it is today. Feels so good to clean. I was able to get disinfect wipes today at Walmart. I was able to get like Lysol spray. I was able to get sterile gloves because we had a box, but it wasn't the best kind. And we also got something else I can't remember. The only thing that I really need, paper towels, because we're down to 3. And I was able to get one a couple of days ago, but it was only 6 rolls, and we're only able to get 1. Every customer is only limited to 1. So I'll be on the hunt of getting that. And it's never a bounty. It's always like the smaller rolls of paper towels, the ones that basically you're gonna run out of within like a day or 2, because it's not the huge bounty rolls, it's the small rolls. So hopefully we'll find them soon. We're down to 3, and we use paper towels here. Juju! What's the matter, Juju? You're hot? Is this sunny day, Juju? Yeah. Juju! Getting ready to watch the news for the Tristate and our state's briefing on the coronavirus. Hopefully the numbers aren't so bad, but we'll see if they're dropping or if the surge is approaching.
We're up to 8,658 new cases. Overall, we have 130,000 people who tested positive, 16,000 people in our hospital system, 13,000 people have been discharged. Number of deaths are up once again. Number of people we lost, number of New Yorkers, 4,758, which is up from 159, but which is effectively flat for 2 days. While none of this is good news, the possible flattening of the curve is better than the increases that we have seen. New York is still far and away the most impacted state. New Jersey is having real difficulty, and been speaking with Governor Murphy from New Jersey, and anything we can do together we will. Michigan also. California has leveled off, and Louisiana is having a difficult time, so they're in our thoughts and prayers. Total number of hospitalizations are down. The ICU admissions are down, and the daily intubations are down. Those are all good signs, and again would suggest a possible flattening of the curve. The number of discharged is down, but that reflects the overall reduction in the numbers.
No,
One more question.
Let's get ahead of it now. Now we can get ahead of it. Today might be the first day we get ahead of it.
Are moving ventilators now among the system?
In New Jersey, 41,000 people have tested positive and more than 1,000 have died. Like New York, the rate of new cases, though, appears to be slowing in New Jersey. 1 week ago, the growth rate was 24%. Today, it is 12%.
Okay, I'm going to give myself a facial today. Oh my gosh, I have not been up on my beauty regimen at all. Today, tonight, it's the night.
Yes, this has been a complete botched rollout. We know that. And there's computer
Got a little
issues, but
cocktail
there's also
behind me.
issues because you have a lot of going
minutes in,
out
guys.
clothing, earning cash back from Rakuten just makes everything
Moisturize, hydrated, cleanse.
The way cashback works on Rakuten,
That.
so they get a commission from the store, and then they share that commission with me.
And you have more money to spend because you got free money.
Cheers to that.
Today for a $10 bonus.